Namaste students. So here we are going to see 2-digit into 2-digit multiplication by using VEDIC max method, and this method here we are going to solve any 2-digit number into another 2-digit number. So this method is named as vertical cross vertical, VCV method, vertical cross vertical. So the direction would be here, vertical multiplication followed by a cross, again vertical. So in this direction we follow the multiplication here. So the first question, 94 into 53. So as I told you the direction of vertical cross vertical. So first multiply this vertically. So 4 3s are, answer is 12. Next is cross, that is 5 4s are 20. Followed by the next cross, that is 3 9s are 27. You have to add this cross which is in the middle. So if you add this, you'll get 47. So write the middle number, that is cross, segregated by the hyphen symbol. So 47 over here. Next followed by the vertical arrow. So 9 5s are 45, which is again segregated by the hyphen symbol. Now same balancing method we are going to solve by. So balancing method, the last digit would be written here. So this digit I am going to add with the next one, 1 plus 7, so which is 8. Next 4 plus 5, 9. So this also, the last digit would be written the same. So 4 8 4 9 8 2. So the next question which we are going to solve here is 87 into 69. Same vertical cross vertical method. So first vertical, so which is 9 7s are 63, segregated by hyphen symbol. Next cross, in any direction you would start, either 6 into 7 or 9 into 8. So 6 7s are 42, 9 8s are 72. So you have to add this, 114, 114. So which will be written in the middle, so 114. Again segregated by a hyphen symbol. So finally vertical cross vertical, so which is 6 into 8, 48. Next we are going to follow the same as balancing method here. Balancing method, last digit would be written the same, 6 plus 4, so which is 10. Ones place would be written here and 10, the carryover would be there. So 11 plus 1 plus 8, so which is 20. So 2 would be carryover and 0 would be written here. So the last digit I told you to write the same. So 4 plus carryover 2 is 6. The answer here is 6003. So in this method you can solve any 2-digit into 2-digit number, VCV method, vertical cross vertical. So if you solve more than 8 to 10 sums, you will get the speed and accuracy to solve this easily in just 5 to 10 seconds. Thank you students.